6 open houses this weekend across Beverly Hills, and one of them has been for sale for almost 2 years, while the listing swears it has been 8 days. 8! Our data says more like 2 years. Same house, same seller. The clock keeps getting a fresh haircut before the reunion. Cancel, wait, relist, and the days on market snaps to 0. Meanwhile, the price has walked downhill from over $10.5 million to just under $9 million. Not saying which door yet. The promise. For all 6 homes, we pulled the real history. Every relist, every reset, every cut the public clock hides. Stay to the end and we will show you how to get that same read on any home you are watching, run on today's data. This drops just ahead of the weekend of July 18th and 19th. Watch in time and you can walk these with us. The full list, every address, every open house time, and the pre-visit homework is up at bigdatarealty.com. Start with the clean ones. 115 North Maple in the Golden Triangle. 5 bedrooms, just under $6 million, and 2 days on the market that are actually true. First time available in decades, so a long-held Proposition 13 base that resets for whoever buys. Our call? A clean rookie, priced right. 227 South Stanley, south of Wilshire. 6 bedrooms, $2.35 million, listed with one word: fixer. A 1930 corner lot, as is, cash only, at just under $800 a foot, the cheapest per foot here. Our call? A lot with a house sitting on it, waiting for a permit and a plan. Now the one already blinking. 2300 Benedict Canyon in the post office pocket. 3 bedrooms, 4 bath, asking $2.2 million. Looks fresh. Our data says the owner bought this exact house 13 months ago for just under 1.8. They listed it just under 2.4, cut to 2.2, and quietly reset it 2 weeks in. So the question is not the price. It is whether $400,000 of markup is renovation or optimism. Our call? A thin margin flip testing the ceiling. And this is why you subscribe. In a few weeks, we walk every one of these doors, tell you what the photos hid, and grade every call, green or red. Then we track each home until it sells, for how much, or gets quietly pulled. That payoff only lives here. Then the trophy. 1027 Ridgedale, a 1935 French Normandy estate on a street-to-street lot. $18 million. But our data shows the owner bought it 3 years ago for just under $8.5, now asking more than double. On the existing house, that is over $4,000 a foot, a number that only lands once you spot the approved plans for a 13,000-foot new build in the listing. Our call? Not a house sale, a land and plan sale, wearing a 1935 house. Now the long game. 1166 San Ysidro. 4 bedrooms, just under $8.5 million, 15 days on the market. Except our data has it going on and off since 2023. For sale, for rent, canceled, relisted, over and over. Here is the tell. Earlier this year, the same seller asked just under $8 million. And now, reimagined, they want more. One cycle calls the build year 1947, another 1989. And the bath count drifts from 7 to 8 to 5. The listing hands you answers that refuse to agree. Our call? A 2-year saga wearing a 15-day badge. Verify every number before you fall in love. So of the long sitters here, which one sells first? And does it sell or get quietly pulled? Drop the address below. And tell us which Los Angeles or West Side neighborhood to recon next. We walk whatever wins. Which leaves the home we opened on. 1350 Benedict Canyon. 6 bedrooms, 10 baths, nearly 11,000 feet. Listed at just under $9 million. The badge says 8 days. Our data says nearly 2 years, since September of 2024. It opened at $10.8 million, then walked down through 9.9, 9.5, 9.4, to here. Cancel and relist. Cancel and relist. The clock snapping to 0 each time. And all along, the same owner has also listed it for rent, around $40,000 a month. Our call? Not an 8-day fresh listing, a nearly 2-year negotiation the market keeps winning. One note, that post office address is a Beverly Hills zip, but the city of Los Angeles, not Beverly Hills. Different taxes, different schools. Which is the whole point. What you just watched is the free version of what we do. Before a client writes an offer, this is the read we run privately, line by line. The true age behind a reset clock, the real cost basis behind a flip, whether a price is a discount or a story. Reach out, and we will run it on your address. No pressure, just the math. We work with licensed realtors in California and Florida who handle the deal from there. The How Big Data Realty Works video is in the description, and everything lives at bigdatarealty.com. And every weekend, we handpick tours like this across our 3 markets: Miami, the San Francisco Bay Area, and Los Angeles. These picks came straight off that list. Watching before the 18th? Grab the list and the homework at bigdatarealty.com and come walk with us. Watching after? Subscribe, wait for the walkthroughs and the greats, and next weekend's tour will be waiting first. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.